.9 magnitude earthquake shakes southern Philippines. A 6.9 magnitude earthquake was recorded off the coast of the southern Philippines on Saturday, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The quake registered off the coast of Mindanao's largest city, Davao, and approximately 62 miles southeast of the city of Pondagatan. The U.S.'s Pacific Tsunami Warning Center has warned that a tsunami threat exists for parts of the Pacific closer to the earthquake.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.